Good afternoon, Mika at the MV's Bushcraft. Today we're gonna continue with the free Bushcraft kit. We're gonna talk about some making extensions to the fire kit. First of all, at this moment I'm going to be using this one. It's an old camera bag. I found this one a week ago, maybe. I will be making a leather pouch to this one, to the fire kit, but as for now I'm gonna keep it in this one. Okay. Then I tried another. Then I made another. What do you call them? Bush body burners in a small tin like this. Just gonna try it. I have tried it out earlier, but try it out again. And the only problem I found out was that don't fill up more than these, because the candle wax will melt and run out. Okay. So let's so that what we are gonna do is char some linen. These are leftovers from making a Viking Age shirt. Okay. So, and I've tried this out. This works very well. It's because it's a kind of heavy grid, you know. It's a kind of coarse material. Okay. I think it works very well. So let's light this one up. And in the bag, using this earlier, I have just a candle, some matches, a candle, and some dryer lint. Okay, I'm gonna take some dryer lint and let's see if I can pick this wired up. I experienced some trouble lighting it. What I did, I took some candle wax out of there and put that inside the dryer lint, and then light the dryer lint up. I think we succeeded firing this up. Okay. The pot stand was a bit too high, I believe. That's why I took a few pebbles, just stuck them up there, and now I'll put the can on here instead. A small tin. Sorry. Okay, let's see if we have some charred cloth. The tin is very hot, okay? Okay. Maybe not all is charred, but I would say that is good enough for a bush body burner anyways. I've never done this way, but well, it seems to work. Okay. Okay, so what have we done today? We've been trying out a new bush body burner in a almost like a all-touch tin. Okay, I had to take 4 pebbles, to put up the can because I believe this was a bit too high, the pot stand. And then we made some char cloth in the tin we found, and it's done. So now we have secured our next fire. Okay. I would like to thank you for watching. Hello to all my subscribers and friends, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care now. Bye bye.